Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The given diagram shows the weights of two bags of wheat. Find the weight in gram of wheat that should be added to bag Q in order to balance the scale. To balance the weight, both the bags should have same weight in it. To balance both both the bags should have same weight in them. Therefore, bag Q should have 5.8 kg. So we can say to balance bag Q should have 5.8 kg, but it has 5.1 kg. Therefore, what we can say? We can say remaining amount of wheat that should be added in bag Q is equal to 5.8 kg minus 5.1 kg. So let's perform this subtraction. 5.8 minus 5.1. 8 minus 1 is 7. Decimal point will come here and 0. So 0.7 kg weight should be added to bag Q. Added to bag Q. But all the answers are in grams. So let's see. We have to find this in grams. Therefore, what we do? We know 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Therefore, 0.7 kg will be equal to 0.7 into 1000 grams. We know when we multiply by a power of 10, the decimal point will move to right side by 1, 2, 3. That is the number of 0, whatever is the number of zeros, that many digits. So let's see, in our case the decimal point will move after 3 digits. So that is equal to 700 grams. So looking at the options, yes, answer is option C, 700 grams.